Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can fix the problem when there is a WhatsApp call, there is no notification and the screen is not popping up with the who is calling you. So let's see the problem. See, there is a call on my mobile but there is nothing popping up. So that way you have to unlock your phone, go to your WhatsApp and see who is calling you. So in this video I will be showing you how you can fix this problem. So to fix this problem you have to go to the settings. If you can't find out setting on the shortcut, you just have to scroll up and it will be on the first page. You can see setting, so you have to click that and now you have to find out apps. So scroll down, there is a apps, click on that and then you have to find out WhatsApp. So scroll all the way down, it's a alphabetical order. So WhatsApp, so now see on the notification it is saying blocked, so that is the reason. So you have to click that and you have to show notification. So it is saying allow sound and vibration, so which is already good. So you have to go back. So as you can see, now the problem is fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for watching more videos on easy tips and tricks related to your mobile phone and other technology. Thanks a lot.